Let us start exercise 1.3. Estimate each of the following using general rule. So for general rule, what we will do, 730 is nearest to 1s, 10s, 100. So nearest 10s, 700, and this is 1000. And simply addition will be taken. Now here 3 digits, so it is not difficult. Here this number is 5 digits and this is 4 digits. This number is similar. So what we will do in this number, I will solve all these 4 sums, but I am telling you this number nearest 1s, 10s, 100, thousands. So thousands place we will rounded off both the numbers. So thousands, that means we will consider this place, hundreds place. So here will be 3000 and here will be 13,000. Okay. Make 10 more such examples of addition, subtraction, estimation of their outcome. So try. This work you will do in the rough notebook and you will send on my personal WhatsApp number. So let us start question number 1. Now see, sub question A of question number 1, 730 plus 998. You will write in this way, 730 rounded off to 700. Nearest hundreds place we will rounded off these two numbers, and 998 rounded off to, why? Because for 100 we will consider tens place which is greater than 5. So in place of 9 we will put 10 and here will be both the numbers will become 0. So estimated addition, 700 plus 1000, 700 plus 1000, 1700 is the answer. Now B you will solve, C I am solving for you. In this question you can see both the numbers are different digits. Here is 5 digits and in the second number 4 digits are there. So ones, tens, 100, thousands. This number is less than this number, so we will round it off according to this number. So ones, tens, 100, thousand. So nearest 1000 we will round it off both the numbers. So ones, tens, 100, thousand. This number is greater than 5, hundreds place. So in place of 2 we will write 3 and this 3 digits will become 0. So 13,000. So 12,904 rounded off to 13,000 and 2,888. That means you can see here 8 which is greater than 5. So 2 will become 3 and this in place of this 3 8s we will put 0. 3,000. So 2,888 rounded off to 3,000. Now estimated addition, 13,000 plus 3,000, 16,000. So D and B you will solve yourselves. Now question number 2. Give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundreds. That means these sums, first we will take the number nearest hundreds, and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens, and then nearest tens we will take and then we will solve. Make 4 more such examples. So you will make and you will send on my personal WhatsApp number. So let us start. Now you can see 439 plus 334 plus 4,317 are the numbers rounded off to nearest hundreds. So 439 rounded off to hundreds place is here. So after that 3 is there. 3 is less than 5. So both the numbers will become 0 and 4 as it is. Same way 300 and same way you can see hundreds place is here. So 4 as it is, and after hundreds place the tens digit is 1 which is less than 5. So both the numbers will become 0 and 3 as it is. So 439 rounded off to 400, 334 rounded off to 300 and 4,317 rounded off to 4,300. So now we will add 400 plus 300 plus 4,300. So you can see here addition 0, 0, 4, 3, 7, 3, 10, carry over 1, 1 and 4, 5. So answer is 5,000. Now we will solve nearest tens. Now same questions we will round it off the nearest tens. So 439 rounded off to. Now you can see nearest tens, that means you can see the tens place number is 3 and ones place number is 9, which is greater than 5. So this number we will add. That means one number we will add nearest to 440. The number will be 9 will become 0 because greater than 5, and in place of 3 we will write 4. Same way 334 nearest tens, after that 4 less than 5, so 4 will become 0 and 3 as it is. In this question, nearest tens, 7 is there, 7 is greater than 5, so one more number we will write here. That means in place of 1 we will write 2 and 7 will become 0. Now we will add 440, 330, 4320. When you will add here 0, 0, 0, 437 to 9, 437, 3 tens, carry over 1, 415. So answer is 5090. This method also you will show in the exam. Clear? So in this way you will solve nearest to hundreds first and then nearest to tens. Now B and C you will solve. I am solving for you D, and if you are having any query you can ask me. Now we will round it off this number nearest to hundreds first. So 489348. So hundreds place number is 3, and we will consider tens place, which is 4 less than 5. So near rounded off to this number, rounded off to 489,300. Now 48365 similarly rounded off to hundreds place. After hundreds place is 6, which is greater than 5. So this number, both the numbers we will put in place of these, we will put 0 and 3. After 3, 4 comes, so 4. Now subtract the number 4,89,300 minus 48,400. So you can say 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 13. 3 will borrow from here, so 13 minus 4, 9. Here will be 8, 8 minus 8, 0, 8 minus 4, 4, 4. So answer is 4,40,900. So see here, rounded off nearest to tens. For tens we will consider ones place. You can see here. So 4,89,348, tens place number is 4, and after that means ones place number is 8, which is greater than 5. So 8 will become 0, and we will add 1 in 4. So number will become 4,89,350. Similarly, here the tens place number is 6 and ones place number is 5. So nearest tens number will be 70. So 448,370 will be the rounded off. Children, by mistake I have put addition sign instead of subtraction. So you will change the sign in the question. Sub question D of question number 2. So nearest tens, when you will round it off both the numbers, 4,89,350 minus 48,370. Subtract this number. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 will borrow from 3. 15 minus 7, 8. Here will be 2. 2 will borrow from 9. 12 minus 3 is 9. Here will be 8. 8 minus 8, 0. 8 minus 4, 4. 4 as it is. So answer will be 4,40,980. Keep this thing in your mind. The sign will be changed. Okay, according to textbook. I forgot and I have put addition sign in place of subtraction. Now next question, estimate the following products using general rule. In general rule, what we will do, we will not consider like addition and subtraction. We consider the hundreds place if the number is given till 1000, but according to smaller number we consider the rounded off number. Now in this, whatever number is given, individually we will consider the number. So let us start. Now 578 rounded off to 600. because 3-digit number is there, so nearest hundreds we will round it off the number. If you want to write, you can write. So tens digit number is 7, which is greater than 5, so 578 nearest to 600. Same way 161, tens hundredths digit number is 1 and tens digit number is 6, which is greater than 5. So 161 rounded off to 200. It is nearest to 200. Now 600 into 200 multiply. So 0 zeros are 0 zeros are 0, 6 are 0. Then again ones place you will put 0, 0 zeros are 0 zeros are 0, 0. Now same way when you will multiply, so ones tens place you will put 0 and 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12. So answer is 1,20,000. Clear? Now you can see here question number, sub question D of question number 3, B and C you will solve. If you are having any query, you can ask me. Numbers are given 9,250 multiplied by 29. So 9,250, thousands place. Last digit is at thousands place, which is 9. So nearest to thousands, we will round it off this number. So after that, hundreds place number is 2, which is less than 5. So 9,000 will be the rounded off number. Now 29, so nearest tens. So nearest tens, 29 is nearest to 30. So rounded off number will be 30. Now 9,000 into 30. So 9,000 into 30 will be 0 zeros are 0 zeros are 0. Zeros are 0, nines are 0. Now ones place we will put 0. Now 3 zeros are 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 nines are 27. So answer will become 2,70,000. In this way you will solve. So here exercise 1.3 is finished. This type of more such examples you will find and you will try, and on my personal WhatsApp number you will send the images of this.